So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we would be studying about the rest of the principles of management, right? Now the first is principle of equity, right? So it means that the working environment of any organization should be free from all forms of discrimination, whether it's religion, language, caste, gender, belief or nationality, and principles of justice and fair play should be followed, right? No worker should be unduly favored or punished. इसका मतलब है आप जिस वर्किंग एनवायरनमेंट में मतलब आप जिस एनवायरनमेंट में काम करते हो वो एनवायरनमेंट फ्री होना चाहिए, उधर किसी भी तरह की बायसनेस नहीं होनी चाहिए एंड कोई भी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं होना चाहिए, राइट? एग्जाम्पल, इन ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस people of various nationalities work together without any discrimination, right? So as we can see that Sundar Pichai becomes CEO of Google, right? So what are the positive effects of this principle? First is employees get satisfied, and second is motivation of employees is boosted, right? Now the negative effects are, first is dissatisfaction of employees and second is unhealthy relationship between superior and subordinate, right? Now the next is stability of tenure, right? According to this principle, employees once selected should be kept at their post or position for a minimum fixed tenure. They should be given reasonable time to show results. मतलब अगर आप किसी एम्प्लॉय को हायर करते हैं, राइट, आप उसको एक फ़िक्स टेन्योर के लिए हायर करें, राइट, ना कि आप उसको 1 या 2 मंथ्स में निकाल दें. There should be a feeling of job security among the employees and frequent transfer or rotation should be avoided. Now the positive effects are, it improves the efficiency level of employees and second is no wastage of time and resources. Consequences of violation, first wastage of resources in learning new job. अगर आप उनका हमेशा प्रमोशन करते रहेंगे, राइट, एवरी मंथ, तो इससे क्या होगा, उनको जो भी काम सिखाना है उसके लिए कुछ रिसोर्सेज लगेंगे, राइट? एंड सेकेंड इज फ्रस्ट्रेशन एंड डिससैटिस्फैक्शन अमंग्स द एम्प्लॉयज़, राइट? नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज इनिशिएटिव. Workers should be encouraged to develop and carry out their plan for improvements. Initiative means taking the first step with self-motivation, right? It is thinking out and executing the plan. Example, a manager should welcome suggestions and ideas from employees before setting up a plan to allow their maximum participation in every employee should follow and implement that plan, right? Now what are the positive effects? It develops the feeling of belongingness, right? And second is employees achieve the target on time if they are set up with their consultation. Consequences of violation, employees will not be able to work to the best of their ability and second is demotivation among employees, right? Now the last is esprit de corps. It means management should promote team spirit, unity and harmony among employees. This encourages mutual trust and belongingness which results in minimum need for using penalties, right? Now a manager should replace I with we, right? What are the positive effects of this principle? It develops team spirit, right? अगर आप ऐसे नहीं बोलोगे कि I have done this, अगर आप ये टर्म यूज़ करोगे कि we have completed this work, so इससे क्या होगा, टीम स्पिरिट डेवलप होगी and achievement of group goal. And negative effects are team goal may not be achieved, right? And second, no team spirit and more stress on individualism. Clear? So thank you very much